Okay, hello guys. I hope you guys are well. You're doing fine. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you a few things that you can do to a presentation or onto your presentation. The first thing that I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how to insert a video on your presentation. And then the next one is I'm going to show you how to insert a table as well in your presentation. Because sometimes this is required when you're doing a presentation. You might ask to insert or to have a table in your presentation whereby maybe you're showing some figures and so forth and so on, or you're showing a video clip that explaining certain part in your presentation. So, but now how do we insert the two? So let's start off with inserting a video onto your presentation. Right. So there are two ways you can do that. Inserting a video or a table onto your presentation. You can either use these icons here on in the subtitle of your slide, or you can go to Insert tab. The menu here, you click on Insert. Okay, as I said earlier that we are starting off with the video. So you go to Insert, and you go to the last group here, the media, here, and then you click on video because it's a video. It's not, so you can either insert a video or an audio file onto the presentation. It's just the same thing. But the most important thing is that you need to save the file onto a specific location, like either on the desktop or on the document folders or wherever, or maybe it's in the memory stick. Okay, so it should be in a specific location. So let's click on video. So if you are using this way, you can just click on the video here on the pointer, and then you select the first option that says video from file. Okay, so that is one way of inserting a video. The other way is also using these icons here, as I've said earlier, that you can click on insert media clip, and then it also allows you to browse your file where you've saved your video file. So let's use this method. Let's click on this little icon here, on this icon, so that it gives us an option to select or to browse. So it takes us to the to where we have saved our file. Yes. Right. Excuse me. So in my case, I've saved my file on the desktop. So I need to go to the desktop. Click on the desktop. And then you look for the file here on the desktop. You look for the file on the desktop. Okay, so this is the file that you're inserting on this slide. So you click on Settings, and then you click on Insert. Okay, there it is. It's the setting. Okay, so there's our video, it's inserted. Now we can play it. You just click on the play button, and then you should play our video. Let me just quickly give this slide a title. Okay, it's taking a bit of time, but those are the steps that you can go through to insert a video onto your presentation. So if you follow those instructions, I mean all those steps, then your video will be inserted onto that specific slide. Okay, ladies, it's now playing. Okay, so there it is playing. So that's how basically you can insert a video onto the slides. So let's look at the table now. How do you insert the table? Okay, we're going to insert a table here, or timetable on this slide. So what you do is you can still the same steps. You can either use these icons here, or you can go via the tabs here, insert tab. So you can click here and go to table and click on insert table, or you can just use the insert table option or icon here. You click on it, and then it allows you to give the number of columns and number of rows that you want your presentation to, your table to have. So let's say 5 and 5 columns and 5 rows. So then you just click on OK. And there you go, your table is inserted. So let's type in days of the week. Tuesday, Wednesday, okay, so there's your table. So you can populate your table with any information of your choice here. Maybe it's your timetable, school timetable. So you can just put different subjects here and the time. Let's just put something here in this last row here. Let's type in some numbers. Okay. So you can also move around this table. Just put your cursor here on the edge of the table, and then it allows you to move the table around it, or on this around the slides, at any place of this within the slide. So you can just move it around. Okay. So you can also add a row on the table by right-clicking. You right-click on this row. You go to insert option. And let's insert a row below. Okay, and then a row is inserted. Okay, so that's how you can insert a row. You can also insert a column. Let's insert a column here after Friday. Insert, and then columns to the right. You're going to insert it to the right side of Friday. Okay, and then there is your column, it's inserted. So let's type in Saturday there. Okay. Right, so these are the different styles that you can also apply to your table. So let's see what are the different styles which are there. You can apply different style of your choice. So let's put this one, let's apply this one. So that's the table, that is the style. So you can also delete a column, you can delete a row as well. Let's delete this row. Wednesday, delete rows, delete columns. So you just click there, and then Wednesday, it's gone. That entire column, it's gone. So let's delete this row here, the second to last row of this table. So you click on it, you right click, and then you go to delete rows. And then the row is gone, it's deleted. Okay, so let's just end here for today and join me again in the next lesson. Thank you.